Hey YouTube, Kim Brzalik here. I have recovered from the crash. Before that I had done a video on a hand taper, and I inadvertently made a tool for centering my tool to the lathe. At least a tool that will get me close. And I have another method for fine-tuning that. So, good day to you. Okay, so let's put our work in first. This is what I made, and what I want to do is, and this may not work, is just square this off on the end here and use this tip to get me in the neighborhood, bringing my tool up to that. So I got a little piece of copper here I'm going to use for protecting this. Let's see what that looks like. It looks pretty horrible. Okay, let me get that seam in a more friendlier spot. I probably should be indicating this in, but I don't think it's that critical. Actually, it probably is very critical. Okay, that looks pretty good. I really need to put an indicator on it, but my indicators hold my indicator stand is holding the camera, and I got this one, but it's going to take me a minute to, well, maybe not, to get an indicator on it. Oh, what the hell? Well, you know what? It's a 3-jaw chuck anyway, so I'm just going to be beating the thing around. So let me hurry up and get a, well, I guess we better not hurry, but let me get a tool height set here. Yeah, it looks like we're pretty freaking high. I'm switching between, just going to take the fattest part of that. I'm going to switch in between the high-speed steel and the inserts. It's playing havoc on my on my tools. I'm not sure if I covered any of this earlier, and I kind of expanded on this method. That looks pretty good. Actually, I'm gonna have to balances two ways. So I'm able to slide the body of this square, which is a Lufkin, across the top of my tool holder, and see that I'm still a little low. It's not working as well on here because of that interruption, that tool sticking up. So I said I was a little low. So let's bring it up. Okay, there we go. Tell you what, I'll take it up to that and bring it over here. Well, that's a lot closer than I ever was in the past. So I'm gonna go with that. So I'm just gonna do a flat here. Probably yeah. Five eighths. That takes me almost to the face. I'm gonna have to take my my diameter is gonna depend on when I can get a straight number there. Okay, so you hear that picking up all on its own? So as far as my recovery from the crash, I had destroyed the 80th tooth gear, and the only other gear that I have is the next closest gear I have to that is a 65. So that's what I'm running in its stead. And we're going to use just regular cutting oil on this as opposed to the aluminum. Maybe I don't need to. Okay, I'm gonna try. This is supposed to be 5 thousandths. Probably won't even hit it. It's more like half a thou, if that. But now I know where my 0 is. So we'll do 3 thousandths on this side. I don't believe that's 3 thousandths either. So that's 3 thousandths supposedly. I'll probably make this tool again in steel. And I don't know if I'm doing something right or wrong, or this is going to be 4 1,000ths. When I bring it down, I'm not backing the tool off to take it back up, and I am not touching the work either. So does that speak to the rigidness of my machine? I don't know. Yeah, try to do an example here and we'll see if it actually makes me a liar. So back we go. I think that's probably, whoop, I almost grabbed a cloth towel. I'm going to throw that towel behind me across the room. Cloth towel could, I probably should stop right here. As far as this tool goes. I really need to start from scratch on this to make it completely concentric, because it is not going to be that. There's 2